Hey guys, this is Shashank and now I'm going to solve the second question in the maths and some paper. Okay, so the second question states that under what conditions on the constants a, b, k and l is the ODE ax plus by plus kx plus ly times dy by dx equals 0 exact, and solve the exact ODE. So for an ODE to be exact, it needs to be in the form p plus q times dy by dx equals 0, or p dx plus q dy equals 0. It's the same thing, and it should satisfy the condition that partial derivative of p with respect to y should equal partial derivative of q with respect to x, where p and q are obviously functions in x and y. By Clairaut's theorem, we know that p is equal to partial derivative of u with respect to x, and q equals partial derivative of u with respect to y, where u is the solution of the differential equation. So in the question, we are given this ODE ax plus by plus kx plus ly y dash or dy by dx, it's the same thing, equals 0. So and also in Clairaut's theorem we have another result, but it doesn't really be it's not useful in this question, but I'm just putting it out there. Dy equals del square u by del y del x. So okay, so it states that u x y equals u y x. Fine. Now, so for this to be an exact differential equation, it needs to satisfy this condition. It's already in this form. So now it needs to satisfy this condition. And let's do it. This is the equivalent of p. This is the equivalent of q. So partial derivative of p with respect to y equals 0 plus b, and partial derivative of q with respect to x equals k plus 0. So we have, since these two are equal, we have b equals k. So for equation 1 to be exact, the condition is it should satisfy b equals k. So that's the condition. Now we have a new differential equation, ax plus by plus bx plus ly. I replace the k with b. I just replace the k with b, or I could also have replaced the b with k, but it doesn't matter because it's the same thing, which can also be written as ax plus by dx plus bx plus ly dy equals 0. So now I'm gonna call this p because it's the same thing, and this as q dash because I already named something as q. Now I'm going to consider this q dash, but essentially we're just going to replace q with q dash in all the formula. So u, the u which we talked about in the Clairaut's theorem, u equals integral p dx plus some constant function of y. That constant function of y, I'm assuming it as k of y. I can assume it as g of y, f of y something, but I'm assuming it as k of y. We won't have any problem with it. And if we consider this as our equation number 2, let's consider this as equation number 3. So u equals integral p dx plus ky. So that means u equals integral ax plus by. So ax square by 2. It's pretty simple. I'm not writing another step because ax square plus 2 plus bxy plus k of y, and we get some integration constant, say plus c1. This is equation number 4. Now let's let's differentiate u with y, so we can equate it to q. See, I went from p, and now I went from u is equal to integral p dx plus ky, and now I am going to apply this function so as to equate it to q. And u by y equals 2 of y of ax square by 2 plus bxy plus k of y. Again, this k of y has no connection whatsoever with the k in the exact ODE. I mean, in the ODE given in the question. This k of y is a completely new function. So that is q dash by Clairaut's theorem, which I just stated. So we get this becomes 0 and this becomes bx plus k dash of y equals q dash, that is bx plus ly. So bx and bx get cancelled and we get k dash of, we had a plus c1, but that obviously turns out to be 0 when we are differentiating. So k dash of y equals ly. Now by integral k dash of y equals integral ly. So ly dy. This was basically, this was dou k of y by dk of y by del k of y by del y equals ly. This one that side, and since we only have one variable, the del converts into a d, and we get k of y equals l y square by 2 plus, let's say, c2, it doesn't matter, again some constant, integration constant. So now we have u x comma y, solution of the exact differential equation as ax square by 2 plus bxy plus ly square by 2 plus c2 equals 0. Or c2 looks kind of weird in the final equation, so I'm just going to rewrite this. Ux comma y ax square by 2 plus bxy plus ly square by 2 equals c, some constant c. Now that's it, the question is done, but now I'm just going to verify this. once verification. All we need to do is find du. So that's essentially du equals u by dou x dx plus du by del y dy. The constant gets converted into 0. So we have partial derivative of u with respect to x dx. Partial derivative of u with respect to x is ax, this term is 0, this term is 0, ax plus partial derivative of bxy with respect to x is by dx plus similarly bx plus ly dy equal to 0. So that we have our original equation here, so hence verified. Thank you.